Kita Bbosa science, kwano kwa beti science, dafu ya Bbosa science, truth na beta, truth na omega, truth na alpha science.
The Science Foundation College enamave ku Lwejjinja ng'oyingira kilomita emu. Ssomero lya Dene Boarding eri abawala n'abalenzi. Ku O-level tusomesa arts ne sciences ate A-level tusomesa sciences zokka. Omwana mulete ku The Science Foundation College. Ffe tusinga okusomesa sciences. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba ku 0753 8 27 09. The Science Foundation College, based on sciences and based for sciences.
Dr. Bbosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. At A-level, we teach sciences only. At O-level, we teach arts and sciences. Today, we are going to study compounds of carbon. 1. Hydrides. These include alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, aromatic compounds, and these are studied in organic chemistry. 2. Halides of carbon. Carbon forms all of the 4 tetrahalides: carbon tetrafluoride, carbon tetrachloride, carbon tetrabromide, and carbon tetraiodide. The melting points of halides increase with molecular mass, and all of the 4 tetrahalides are volatile liquids. 2. The stability of tetrahalides decrease from carbon tetrafluoride to carbon tetrachloride to carbon tetrabromide to carbon tetraiodide. This is due to decrease in the bond strength as the electronegativity of the halogen decreases. Carbon tetrachloride is a good solvent, and being very stable and heavier than air, it is used in fire extinguishers to displace oxygen from the burning substance. Because it is heavier than air, to displace oxygen from the burning substance, and burning will stop. Carbon tetrachloride is not hydrolyzed by water due to lack of accessible d orbital to accommodate a lone pair from water and weaken the carbon chloride bond. Oxides of carbon. A. Carbon monoxide preparation by dehydration of methanoic acid with concosulfuric acid. Methanoic acid plus concosulfuric acid, you get carbon monoxide and water. Uses of carbon monoxide: to reduce oxide in extraction of metals. For example, anhydrous oxide is reduced by carbon monoxide to iron. Nickel is reduced by carbon monoxide to nickel. Carbon monoxide is used to purify nickel. It forms a volatile carbamide that decomposes to form a pure metal. So nickel plus carbon monoxide at 90 degrees, it will give you nickel carbamide, and nickel carbonyl will decompose at 180 to give you nickel and carbon monoxide. C. It is used in preparation of carbonyl chloride, that is used in the production of polyurethane form of plastics. Carbon monoxide plus chlorine will give you carbonyl chloride. Carbon monoxide reacts with fused sodium hydroxide under pressure to give sodium methanoate. Sodium methanoate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form methanoic acid. Carbon monoxide is very poisonous and should be handled with care. Preparation of carbon dioxide by decomposition of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, when we heat it, we get calcium oxide or quicklime plus carbon dioxide. Uses of carbon dioxide: it is used in fizzy drinks such as sodas. It is heavier than air and stable. It is used in fire extinguishers to displace oxygen from burning substances. Silicon existence. Silicon exists as silicate or silicon dioxide or sand. Sand is used for building and making glass. Chemical properties of silicon dioxide: reaction with water. Silicon dioxide does not react with water. With sodium hydroxide, silicon dioxide plus sodium hydroxide will give you sodium silicate plus water. Or in terms of ionic equation, silicon dioxide plus hydroxide ion, you get silicate ion plus water. Reaction with hydrogen fluoride. Silicon dioxide reacts with hydrogen fluoride to form silicon tetrafluoride. Then silicon tetrafluoride plus hydrogen fluoride, you get that. Germanium, tin and lead. They form compounds with oxidation state +2 and +4. The stability of oxidation state +2 increases down the group, whereas that of +4 decreases down the group due to not pair effect. Compounds with oxidation state +2 are reducing. For instance, tin 2 ions reduce iron 3 ions to iron 2 ions. Tin 2 plus iron 3 ions will give you tin 4 ions plus iron 2 ions. Compounds with oxidation state +4 are oxidizing. For instance, lead 4 oxide oxidizes chloride ions to chlorine. Lead dioxide plus HCl will give you lead 2 chloride, water and chlorine. Compounds in oxidation state +2 are ionic, while those of oxidation state +4 are covalent. This explains the fact that lead tetrachloride is soluble in ethanol, an organic solvent, while lead 2 chloride is insoluble in ethanol because lead 2 chloride is ionic. Ionic compounds are insoluble in organic solvents. Lead 4 halides. Lead forms ionic tetrafluoride and a covalent liquid, lead tetrachloride. Lead 4 tetrabromide and lead 4 tetraiodide don't exist, probably because bromine and iodine are non-strong oxidizing agents to oxidize lead 2 ions to lead 4 ions. Preparation of lead 4 chloride by reacting lead 4 oxide with cold concentrated hydrochloric acid. Lead 4 oxide plus hydrochloric acid to get lead 4 chloride plus water. Hydrolysis of lead 4 chloride, it hydrolyzes in water, producing what fumes of HCl and brown PPT. Lead chloride plus water will give you lead dioxide, a brown PPT, and HCl, which is a white fumes.
Sophie, what would you do with $1 million?
I don't really care about money. I just want to sing for everyone and make them happy.
Does that mean, Sophie, if you win, we don't need to give you the $1 million?
Yes.
Okay, well then I really hope you do well. All right, good luck.
Thank you. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. Right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find that he number one, top of the heap, king of the hill, and number one. This little town if I can take it down, I'm gonna make it. Anywhere, it's up to you. New York, New York. Woo, here's something.
Lead two halides. They are prepared by reacting soluble solids of lead, like lead 2 nitrate, with soluble halides. Lead plus halide ion will give you lead 2 halides. Lead 2 chloride reacts with concentrated hydrochloric acid to form soluble complex. Lead chloride plus chloride ions will form a complex. Because of this, lead 2 chloride is soluble in concentrated hydrochloric acid due to formation of a complex. Lead 4 oxide is prepared by reacting soluble lead 2 solids with whole sodium chlorate 1. So lead 2 plus water plus chlorate 1 ion will give lead dioxide, a brown PPT, plus chlorine plus hydrogen ion. This is a brown solid. 2 lead 4 dioxide is prepared by action of nitric acid on trilead tetraoxide. Trilead tetraoxide plus nitric acid, you get lead 2 nitrate. You get lead 2 nitrate, lead dioxide, and water. So you get a colored solution and a brown PPT. Lead 4 oxide decomposes on heat to produce lead 2 oxide and oxygen. This shows that oxidation state positive 2 in lead is more stable than oxidation state positive 4. It is an oxidizing agent, oxidizes manganese 2 ions to manganese 7 ion in the presence of nitric acid. Lead 4 dioxide plus manganese 2, you will get permanganate 4, which is a purple color, plus lead 2 plus water. The formation of a purple color is the confirmatory test for manganese 2 ions.
Omukyala kyakufumbira kyolya, omukyala kyakufumbira kyolya, naye lwaki mono ku muntu womala kuyomba, mono ku muntu womala kulwana, mono ku muntu wotujereka, lwaki wangana okulya mu kyalo, lwaki woza simalako olimba, olusi wogifumbira waba kulwaza, olusi wogifumbira waba wakyamu, omulungi atanabakanyiwa n'obutayoza kiba kikyamu, entikko y'omukwano kisenge, lwaki naye lwaki mondo ku muntu womala kuyomba, mondo ku muntu womala kulwana, mondo ku muntu wotujereka, lwaki wangana okulya mu kyalo, ofumba okwagala lisaaki okunyuma, wange ensiba mu lisaaki, mondo okumukutandwawo, mondo okumunyima ntabuka, mondo okumuzima kuba, mondo okuwomerwa kiva ku mazzi, wetegekere muno, mufunira akaseera akamala, ozanyisa omutwe ogwanyumirwa, wagazanyisa mipiira anyumisa, zanyisa baluni, zanyisa amabeere, lusinyoka n'okuyonka anyumirwe, faayo omukwano gwagala kuyiya, ofumba ogwagala lisaaki okunyuma, wange ensiba mu lisaaki, bweruba oluganda nsobola okuwasa omukyala abawuwo, njagala omukyala abaawo, betita yombayomba, betita nyiganyiga, betita ganagana, bw'oyagala akawunga abaawo, bw'oyagala omuceera abaawo, ennyimba z'omupiira asobola, anyumisa, nyumirwa omukwano gwe, mono ku muntu womala kuyomba, mono ku muntu womala kulwana, mono ku muntu wotujereka, lwaki mono ku muntu womala kuyomba, mono ku muntu womala kulwana, mono ku muntu wotujereka, lwaki